Hi guys, it's Ben from Military AutoSource, and today I just want to do a quick video with you on the all-new 2022 Ford Escape SE in Rapid Red. Coming around the side, we have 17-inch alloy wheels with a little black trim along the bottom to go well with the black mirror caps. There's tinted rear windows and a lovely chrome surround up at the top here to give that a great effect. We have keyless entry and blind spot detection, so if there's anyone ever in your blind spot, this little orange light will appear and it will let you know. Coming inside the vehicle, you have the steering wheel controls, you have adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and you have all your volume controls here. On your 8-inch display with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is housed with your rear backup camera. You have a rotary dial shifter here, making it easy for you and giving you more space. Electronic handbrake, it has selectable drive modes and your auto stop-start technology. The interior is a lovely two-tone stone effect, which makes the interior very nice. Coming into the back, we have a 60/40 split bench seat that goes back and forth and down and up, giving you more legroom if you need any more. Coming around the rear of the vehicle, we have a dual exhaust system fitted nicely into the bottom of the bumper. Your backup camera is just there, and you have a lovely sized boot for all your storage needs. We have all your child safety latches on the bottom of the 60/40 split bench seat, and if you ever need to plug anything in, there's a 12-volt outlet just over here. One of my favourite features about the program is that you have the ability to custom order any vehicle we have available, or for example this Escape here. If you don't want the SE model, you can custom order any Ford Escape with the exact trim level and any added extras. If you have any questions, please do contact me, myself, Ben, Chris or Ethan, and we will get in touch. Thank you for watching. Bye.